Hi, hello, and welcome to Noodles Monday Aaha, a series on instant noodles. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for more videos. Let's get into the video. Today, we're gonna prepare a chicken curry noodles using Top Ramen Curry Noodles. For preparing these noodles, we need to marinate the chicken. Have taken around 150 grams of boneless chicken and I have diced it into small pieces. Add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, salt for taste, mix it well and allow it to marinate for some time. I have taken a pan, preheat the pan and add 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is warm, add the marinated chicken and fry it. Once the chicken is cooked, we will add half a teaspoon of chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon of chopped onions, 1 teaspoon of chopped capsicum and fry it along with the fried chicken. Now add 2 packets of the seasoning that is available in the instant noodle packet. And mix it well. Now we will add water. Now the quantity of water that we're going to add should be more compared to your regular noodles. So I'm going to add 3 cups of water here. Mix it well and get it to a boil. Once the curry comes to a boil, it's time to add the instant noodles. Add 2 blocks of noodles. Immerse the noodles in the curry. Now it's time to add the beaten eggs. I've taken 2 eggs and I have beaten it and I'm going to add that egg to the curry. Now mix it well and close it with the lid and allow it to cook for 2 minutes. It's been cooking for 2 minutes. Now we will open up the lid, mix the curry, and turn off the stove. Sprinkle some chopped spring onions. Your chicken curry noodles is ready. Hope you love this video. Please like, share and subscribe my videos. Thank you for watching.